Hey everyone, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fluent English Studio.
Hello, guys. We're really happy you're here today.
Today, we're learning something very important.
Yes, present perfect.
Sarah, have you finished your work?
Yes, I have finished it. What about you?
I haven't finished my work yet. Sarah, I noticed something.
What is it?
We used have finished.
Yes, that's present perfect.
So what does it mean?
It means something happened in the past, but it is connected to now.
For example, I have finished my work.
The result is important now.
Let's look at the structure.
Subject plus have or has plus past participle.
For example,
I have finished.
she has finished.
They have started.
We use present perfect for experience.
I have visited London.
I have tried new food.
I have learned many things. We can also use negative form. I have not visited London.
Or, I haven't visited London. Now let's make a question.
Have you visited London? Yes, I have. Or, no, I haven't. We also use ever. Have you ever travelled abroad?
Yes, I have. And never. I have never tried sushi.
Really? You should try it. We use just for recent actions. I have just finished my work.
That means very recently. We use already. I have already eaten.
So you are not hungry now. We use yet in negatives and questions. I haven't finished yet.
Have you finished yet? Let's practice together.
Listen carefully. I have finished my work.
Repeat.
I have lost my keys.
Repeat.
I have visited London.
Repeat. Let's talk about real life. Sarah, have you ever travelled abroad?
Yes, I have travelled to Spain.
Was it nice?
Yes, it was amazing. I have learnt a lot from that trip.
That's great. Many learners make this mistake. I have seen it yesterday. That is incorrect.
You should say, I saw it yesterday.
Now let's practice one more time. Say this. I have.
For example, I have finished my homework.
Now you understand present perfect.
Yes, it's simple and useful.
Thank you for listening to Fluent English Studio.
Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next episode.